This is the sixth video of chemical reactions of amine. We are going to deal with electrophilic, substitution reactions, reactions of amines. Okay. Now look at here, the structure of aniline. Amino group activates the benzene ring by delocalizing its lone pair of electrons to the benzene ring. So now benzene ring has become activated. So if you are asked which is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution, benzene or aniline, you will say aniline is more reactive as it's an activated benzene ring. It has got more canonical forms than the benzene ring. Is that clear? Now, not only is it an activated ring, it is also an ortho-para directing group. So this amino group is an ortho-para directing group. Now, why is it an orthopara? So, if I am doing an attack of an electrophile, it will attach either at these two ortho positions or at para positions. Okay. Moreover, it's an activated ring, so it is very difficult to control these reactions. You cannot have a mono-substituted product, only one product. That is very difficult here. How? Let's see the first of the reactions. Suppose I take aniline and I oxidize it with a very mild oxidizing agent, bromine water. Okay? You will find instead of getting an ortho or para product, what I will get is tribrominated product. What is the name of this product? 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and it has a white precipitate. This is also used as a test for aniline. Very difficult. You're only using the mild oxidizing agent and it is brominating at all ortho and para positions. Secondly, suppose I use a mixture, nitration mixture, H2SO4 and HNO3, both concentrated, and I take 288 Kelvin. Look at this nitration mixture at almost the room temperature. If I do this reaction, you will be surprised. I get 3 products. Let me make, what are those 3 products? एनिलीन तो है, एक में ऑर्थो, एक में मेटा और एक में पैरा, और इनकी परसेंटेजेस यू विल बी सरप्राइज. दिस इज 2%, दिस इज 51% एंड मेटा इज 47%. My God, an ortho-para directing group. Why am I getting this? Why am I getting a meta substitution? We will look into it slightly later, but you should first see which are the electrophilic reactions shown by them. Alright? इसी तरह से if I am reacting it with conc, sulfuric acid, no heating required, I will get, this is my aniline. Initially sulfuric acid है, so it is going to attach itself here, NH3 plus HSO4 minus, एक ionic anilinium salt बन गया. ये जब हीट करेंगे इसे 475 केल्विन पे, तो क्या होगा? It will break down automatically, and what it will form is Look, this acid is called sulfanilic acid. Sulfanilic acid is formed. So these are the electrophilic substitution reactions shown by aniline. Now the question is, suppose I want to reduce the reactivity of this aniline. I want to get a mono-substituted प्रोडक्ट. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे इसकी रिएक्टिविटी को कम करना पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू एंश्योर कि जो लोन पेयर डीलोकलाइज हो रहे हैं दे डोंट गेट रीलोकलाइज्ड. नाउ हाउ डू आई अचीव दैट? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. What I do is I react it with acetic anhydride. That means I am doing acylation in presence of pyridine. I am doing acylation in presence of pyridine. Now this is an acid and this is a weak base. So what will happen is I will get NHCOCH3. We can see COCH3 acyl group has attached itself to the nitrogen of aniline. And now the lone pair cannot be delocalized easily on the benzene ring. There will be a competition. They are pulled in both the direction. As a result, the reactivity of benzene ring is slightly reduced. Now, after doing this, if I want my aniline back, what should I do? I should just hydrolyze to get back, मतलब H plus के साथ या OH minus के साथ dilute के साथ reaction करूँगी तो मुझे aniline दोबारा मिल जाएगा. I will get back my aniline. Okay. So I can first do acylation, then carry out bromination. So I will get only bromine and then hydrolyze it so that acyl group can be easily removed. Let us see how to do it. If I want to do how to convert, this is aniline into parabromoaniline. मैं ये बनाना चाह रही हूं. Very difficult, but not so difficult now. Now what I have to do is, first step, I have to take this aniline and treat it with CH3CO twice O. This is acetic anhydride, pyridine. Now a question may again be asked, why are we using pyridine? Look here. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? I will get it converted into NHCOCH3 and acid will be formed here, CH3COOH. To neutralize this acid, I need pyridine. You know what is the structure of pyridine? This is pyridine. Okay? Now this pyridine is slightly stronger base than aniline. So because it is stronger than aniline, aniline will not react with this, but this will react with this to form a salt. ये acid, ये base दोनों combine होके salt बना लेंगे. This is the use of pyridine. And once acid is removed, the reaction is pushed in the forward direction. A very good give reason question. What is the role of pyridine? It acts as a weak base, rather stronger than aniline, and it helps in removing acetic acid formed as a product. So the reaction pushes in the forward direction. What should be the second step now? Second step is I have obtained my NH COCH3. I will now react it with bromine in presence of acetic acid. So if some acetic acid remains here, it does not matter. It acts as a catalyst. What will I get? एक है ना protonated solvent है, पानी, acetic acid, ये क्या है सारे? Protonated solvents है. So I will get NHCOCH3 plus Br. अब इसकी activity reduce हो गई है because lone pair which were delocalized on the benzene ring now in competitions are also delocalized over the carbonyl group. So the reactivity of benzene ring is slightly reduced. Now how to get back my compound? What will I do? I will dilute acid या dilute base के साथ मैं इसे hydrolyze करूँगी. तो what will I get? Simple. यहाँ पे H, यहाँ OH, and I will get NH2, Br, and CH3COOH. तभी तो इसको मैं catalyst कह रही हूँ. This is acting as a catalyst. This process is known as acylation of aniline. This is known as acylation of aniline. And this is called hydrolysis of amide. Hydrolysis of amide. We have the important question is what is the role of pyridine? How do we reduce the reactivity of aniline? तो अगर अब मुझे ब्रोमिनेशन करना है तो मैं आराम ब्रोमिनेशन करूं, नाइट्रेशन करना है तो नाइट्रेशन करूं, पर पहले मैं उसे किस में बदल लूंगी? इस कंपाउंड में बदल लूंगी. Another question is asked. Can you see here in by nitration I had shown you question number very important that ये रहा aniline. अगर मैंने इसमें नाइट्रेशन किया तो I am getting NO2. I am getting NO2 and I am also getting a meta product. Why am I getting this product? ये अब ये ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग है तो मुझे ये पैरा है, ये ऑर्थो है, ये नाइट्रो प्रोडक्ट और वो भी काफी मेटा प्रोडक्ट काफी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी 47% क्यों मिल रहा है? Because as I am using acids here H2SO4 and HNO3, so in presence of acid this aniline will get converted into, it will act as a base, will get converted into anilinium cation, and once it converts into a cation this becomes meta-directing. It becomes meta-directing. Therefore, I am getting an appreciable quantity of meta product also. With this, we finish with the chemical properties of aniline.